I'm using a product called Camtasia to screen record. To screen record the fact that I don't need Camtasia to screen record when I've got Zoom. This is Zoom Clips. Zoom Clips allows you to use your favorite Zoom app to record some screen information. So I simply click on Clips, and then you can see I have some clips that I've created earlier, and I can just hit record a clip and I'll get a pop-up box. This is the pop-up box, and the pop-up box shows me what to do. Now I've got two screens on my computer. Currently it's trying to record screen 1 and sending all my windows to screen 1, which is annoying because I'm trying to record on screen 2. But there's screen 2 selected, so I'm now ready to record screen 2. I can choose my audio and I can also choose my camera. Fortunately, I've got extra audio and 2 cameras here, so I can give those separate ones to Zoom, and Zoom is now recording for me. And I get a nice little recording toolbar similar to the screen share toolbar that you've all seen before, and I can now record my content. Of course, I've just talked over it, but never mind. Hello. I want to show you how you find the context in Zoom apps. So here is my Zoom app, and you can see at the top I can find the context of whether my app is running in a window in Zoom, or is a window in a browser, or actually in an active meeting. And if you have developer tools, you also run the inspect, and then I can see from the console all my Zoom SDK information, which there's a lot of it here, and that will allow you to see where you are with your running context. That's what I wanted to show. I can now stop this, I can resume again, I can delete it and start again, but that is an easy way for me to create little short clips, and usually much less technical than the one I've just done.